So we are going to nature trail. We are in Botanical Garden, Shibpur, Howrah. I think it is a very amazing journey because the nature trail costs you no money and it is very wonderful to watch the nature. The entry fee to this botanic garden is 30 rupees. We are going to giant water lily or Victoria Amazonica. These are calamus trees, which in Bengali is called bet gach. We are heading to nature trail. You can see there is a natural seat here made from log. So you can see this is the gate of nature trail. The whole environment is made from nature. It is very deep inside. We will return from Panchavati Path. Now we will go into this. This is Dandakaranya Path. This is Madhuvana Path. There are many paths through which we can go into the forest and exit. There are two crossroads. We will now go to Chitrakoot Path. This you can see, this is a very dark place, though it seems very light. Here seems kind of high. Some sunlight is there and the sunlight is falling on the bushes. This you can see. Here it is a rest house type thing. Watchtower. This is the watchtower. This is a bridge leading to that path. Now we are heading into the bridge. Here it is the bridge.
আচ্ছা এই যে নতুন এটা সংস্কার করেছে এর একটা মাহাত্ম্য আছে।
So we are taking another route from there. The nature trail is spread over an area of 15 acres with a trail span of nearly 2 kilometers. This area has a rich biodiversity with nearly 250 plant species. We are now returning. You can see the gate. We are now returning from Panchavati Path, as I told you earlier. So this is the main gate. It was really an amazing, wonderful and interesting journey. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching this video.